Good morning, guys. What is going on? Welcome to Monday, and the market seemed to be very happy today. TGIM, huh? Thank God it's Monday. Looks like we are trying to possibly pull up to these recent highs we just had here at 21,100. I can't even believe we're talking about 21,000, and just a couple days ago we were looking at sub almost 20,000. That was pretty close, right? How low did we get? How low did we get? What was the low of this move? It looked like it was 20,462. We almost got down to 20,000, and now we're a whole almost. I would say we could make it to another 1,000 points higher today if we go to the levels that I was thinking of. I have them marked out. If you guys haven't checked out the setup that I posted on the Discord, I'll go ahead and share that with you guys right now. So what I'm thinking that could happen today, I'm not 100% sure, I'm just going on a limb here. I'm saying I think we can pop and clear up this whole area here and head up to 21,400. That is my goal there. 21,400 is where I think we'll make it. Now, target to the downside, if we do come down, I think we can come down to 20,890, 900 region, right in here, right around Friday's close. And I do see that we have a trap set here to the downside. So maybe we'll go higher. Maybe we'll come down first. Either one can happen. Keep those levels on our radar. Meanwhile, today we are going to be trading a few more evals. We've got some Tradefy evals and some Buonox evals that we're going to be trading today. I'm waiting for my Buonox master accounts to be activated. That way we can start trading some live funds, or should I say sim fund, sim live, not real live, sim live. And I have my live account that I'm going to be trading today as well with Webull. And yeah, that's going to be pretty good. So right now we're getting into this level that I have outlined here at 21,100. I think we could get some resistance here. I think we might get some resistance here. Not sure if we're going to continue pumping, or we might face a little bit of a tumble here on the open. Anything is possible. We could moon straight to 21,280 maybe, or maybe 21,220. We have been going up pretty hard overnight. The market's been just a rocket ship overnight. Let's go ahead and look at this 12-minute here. Since we got the open yesterday, we gapped up, came down immediately, closed that gap, and since then we've been slowly grinding higher, just like this market likes to do overnight. And now we're up here at 21,100 almost, about the double top. I do think we could come back and check this daily level, the daily open, 21,000, maybe even a little bit lower. Let's see. I think we could even get down here to 20,800. We could check this level before going higher. Well, we'll see. There's a lot of hours ahead of us. So whatever the market wants to do, it'll do. We just have to go along for the ride. All right, so right now we're just gonna be patient. I'm just gonna chill here. So I'm gonna be trying something a little different, something that I normally wouldn't have done. But I'm gonna be trade my evals today. See how it goes today. I'm gonna trade my evals today with micros. I just find it to be a lot less stressful and a lot more, my win rate is a lot better when I trade with micros. Doesn't mean that I'm going to have a small position on, it just means that I'm going to have to add into winners and then see where that takes us. So I'm excited to try that out, see how we do. It would possibly take us a little longer to pass these evals, but I will tell you one thing. Trying to pass these evals with minis takes me probably just as long, or probably longer, than it's going to take me with micros, because you blow up a lot of evals with minis. But not only that, but it costs me a lot more money too to continuously be renewing more evals. So we're going to try it this way, see if it works out for us. I don't see how it couldn't, but I just want to give it a shot, because I've noticed that when I do trade with these micros, things just work out so much better. So we'll see. We will see. All right, so right now we are heading up to this 21.1. Let's see, we were there earlier today at 7 a.m. Let's see, let's check out this. Oh yeah, looks like we could roll over here. Might be pinching off here. I'll keep this up here for a minute. Could be getting a bearish divergence on the momentum here. See if we break structure. Could be an opportunity to get in. What is our ATR this morning? ATR this morning looks like it is reasonable. Somewhere around 15, not 50, like we've been seeing, which has been pretty crazy. I do like this area here for a reversal. Let's see if we get it. I think we might have one more little pop in the engine here before dropping, but I do like the drop. I do like the reversal back down. We've got 30 minutes still looking very bullish. 12 minute looks like it needs to cool down a bit. 3 minute looks like it is cooling down. I'd like to see one more little pop to the upside before rolling over. See if you break structure. We'll be patient. Good morning, Mike Light. Good morning, Hermana. How are you guys feeling this morning? How was the weekend? Hope the weekend treated you guys well. Hope you got rested up. I was busy as a beaver this weekend. I had a lot going on. A lot of stuff. I went fishing this weekend too. Didn't catch a single thing. But I got a chance to hang out with my pops though. Very nice time. I have to do more of that. I think I'm going to take my dad out fishing on a boat pretty soon. I love that with him. I love doing that with him. Ever since I was a kid, we used to go fishing. Really don't make enough time for it now. But I think to myself sometimes when I'm so busy with work that, my dad's not always going to be around to go fishing with, and when he's not around, I'm going to wish that I spent more time fishing with him. So I'm going to try to do as much of that as possible. Let's see if we get a little pop here. Let's see who gives us the pop. I think we could roll over here, probably recheck these levels here at the daily open. I'm thinking it's very possible. But I'm going to be patient here. Now, guys, give me a second. I forgot my coffee. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm back. I'm glad you're doing good, Armand. I'm glad you're doing good too, Mike Light. All right. It looks like we're breaking structure just a bit here. I have this area outlined up here, this 100 area. I have it outlined here. I think this could have been an area of resistance. And I have this area outlined down here, which I think could be an area of support. See if I get into this short pretty soon, but I am waiting for one more little pop up to retrace some stop losses. Let's see if it does it. Thank you guys for the likes already. I appreciate that. 12 viewers, 3 likes. Let's see if we can get it up to 10. I think we can have this drop come in here pretty significant here. Just want to see this market retest this trend line here. Whenever we make a move in one direction, a lot of times it goes right back to stop out those late shorts. That'll be my sign in here to take this move down. See, something around 2180s, 2190s. Okay, we're not tapped in yet. I'm just trying to see if we can possibly get into a short here. I'm looking to enter around 85 to 90, 2185 to 2190. So we get a quick pop. All right, I got my eye right now on the 3-minute here. Looks like we're moving a bit higher here. We're going to retest this 90 level again here, see if we break this trend line. If we do not, could be a nasty rollover for the market. We'll see how she reacts. Let's see if this market wants higher or lower. So I took this short here. My stop is at 100 on one and 96 on the other. So she may still want to go higher. We'll be patient here. About 12 minutes left to the open, guys. About 12 minutes left to the open. This market is going to do a lot of moves here on the open, since there are so many people who are still in the camp of this market possibly going back to the low 200 to the low 20,000s, and there's a lot of people here who are bulls, so I can see a lot of whiplash at the open. I could see that happening. So if I get stopped out in this trade, I'll most likely just wait till maybe 15-30 minutes after the open. I think I might take this trade off, guys. I'm not really feeling it. I think I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off on both. I'm not really feeling the short at the moment. I don't like the way it. I don't like the way it's moving. I have a $6 loss on one, and I think the other one we're even. I'm gonna wait until after the open. I'm gonna see what she does. I liked it more when it was here. I don't like it so much anymore now. It looks like we could possibly move higher now. I'm seeing the 12-minute here set up a little bit more bullish. I'm seeing the 3-minute set up here a little bit more bullish on the delta. The one good thing I had going for us is that it looks like we're going to be putting in a lower high here on the momentum, which would give us a rollover. But at the moment, I don't like the way she's setting up. The long actually looks better than the short, but we'll be patient and wait. All right, so looks like Bitcoin and a couple other cryptos made a huge recovery over the weekend, huh? Our president here in the U.S. is the #1 Bitcoin and crypto pumper. I can't believe that we are seeing the days where our president is putting out social media posts about XRP, Cardano, ADA, and which one was the other? Sol. Can't believe that. I'm like, did somebody hack his account? Because I can't believe Trump is talking about XRP. It's unbelievable. It's unreal. Unreal. What a time to be alive, huh, guys? What a time to be alive. Yeah, this looks a little, to me, it's looking like it might be setting up to be a little more bullish. We'll see. So we got about 8 minutes left to the open. This could really take off to the upside at the open if we hold this this level here at 2140. If we hold this level, we could really take off higher. We have 600 to the upside here. Boom. And kind of a mixed signal right now, kind of a mixed bag. I do like the short from here. I do like it. But at the same time, we have some bullish indications here as well. Yeah, so as far as momentum goes on the 12-minute, if we don't put in a higher momentum wave here, we could face the fact that we are going to roll over here. So we really need that juice, that volume to kick in so we can get this momentum surging, because we need to be as high as this wave. If we don't get to be as high as this wave, that means it's more likely going to roll over. And yeah, not a lot of people are going to be, too many bulls are not going to be happy about that. Let's see. Yeah, this looks kind of fishy here. Be careful with taking a trade from here. Shorts definitely, to me, look like there's a possibility they can hold this level. The bears could hold this level, and if that's the case, then that means we roll over pretty hard here. Minute, we have this. There we go. Looks like she is going lower. Yeah, should have kept that on. They're definitely putting in a much lower high here if we pinch off. We got about 5 minutes left to the open. So I'm going to be patient here and just give it a chance to do its thing, and we'll figure out what's going on after the open. Yeah, it looks like we were right about this move here, though. We tried to break back into the trend line, could not do it. Then we had the rollover. That was pretty textbook. But it is setting up. Oh, it's going to be hard to say. It is doing something here. We could possibly get a lot more downside. Looks like we are going to get a lot more downside. Yeah, it would have been a 50-point move already from the top. So we're putting a nasty tweezer top in here on the 30. Yeah, right from this little box, we got the rejection. Yeah, she's going to push hard here. It's going to be a wild open. I have a feeling we're going to have a crazy open. It's possible that we could see a move here this morning to come back up into these highs, down maybe to our 21,000 region, possibly higher. It's gonna be. I think it's gonna be a wild one. I think it's gonna be a wild open. Let's take a look real quick at our overnight highs and lows. We mark those out. So far, it looks like this has been our overnight high and low. And this is our low. Yeah, we're moving lower. She picked a direction. Yep, definitely got the divergence here on the 12-minute. Yeah, we got about 1 minute left to the open now, so I'm going to be patient here and make sure that we catch the right move at the right time. All right. So what a market, right, guys? They get you so pessimistic on the market. They dump it over 1,000 points, and then they rally up almost 3/4 of the way already. Like, how high have we gotten already from that low? Let me see on the. Let me take a look real quick on the Fibonacci to see if where we are currently on this reversal from the high to the bottom. Looks like we are approaching right now. We are right at the golden pocket. Right now we are right at the golden pocket. Here we are. Looks like right now we're exactly here at the 0.65. And we are at a point of control as well. That's why another reason we're getting this reversal back down. 76 is right here. And the 1 is all the way up here. So we could possibly see a lot of action here in this region of 21.1. So we'll keep that on our mind here. We are right at the golden pocket on that fib. Pretty crazy, huh? Yeah, looks like we're gonna go a lot lower. I guess the short was the right idea. All right, whatever, we're good. Good morning, Storm. This could be shaping up pretty nice. So we had a big drop here on the 12-minute. Market's open now, so we're gonna try to figure out what direction she may want to take. We have the daily open here at 21,000, just about 21,000 on the dot, 21.06. Let's see if she holds that level. She could get a pop from there. She could get a pop from there, but we'll see. Maybe she'll come back a little early. So we did get the divergence here, major divergence here. Look at the power shift here. We had a lot of strength here, very little strength here. Almost no volume on these candles. They were moving up while the market was moving down. And then we got the rollover. It's the reason I took the shorts, but I talked myself out of it. All right, looks like we're moving back up. I expected a bit of a wiki open, and we're getting just that. Yeah. Quite the move. Let's see. Let's see. Be careful, guys. Market looks like it wants to head right back up to the overnight highs. Right back she goes. And now she might be putting in a bit of a higher wave here. Let's see if I can change some of this here. Line band, smooth line, rough, line precision. Oh, yeah, she's moving right back up to that 21.1. Okay, looking really good on the 12. She turned that around quickly. Yeah, it looks pretty strong here. It looks pretty strong. We're blowing through the overnight highs. And she's most likely going to be a rocket ship here if there is no sellers to be found. If we cannot find a seller, we'll move up quickly here. 30-minute looks crazy bullish. Yeah, it's wild. Wild open. Wild open. All right, let's see what else. What other ideas she may have. So right now, if we do find resistance here, could she move back down? We could go down to 20,900, grab the liquidity from here. We even have the overnight lows much lower. Let's see, overnight lows are stacked at 20,800. I don't know if we'll go that low, but it's possible. Everything's possible. Could see that as well. What's up, Micaiah? Good morning to you, brother. So right now it looks like we are still holding bullish. Even on the smaller time frames, it doesn't look like it's ready to reverse just yet. Looks like they are holding this 100 area. They're trying to fight for this 100 area. Made my money last night just swinging and say hi. Hey, yeah, I took some trades last night too. I did pretty well. That Sunday open was really good. That's not usual. Usually we don't get that much of big moves, but we got some really nice moves last night when the market opened at 6 p.m. Eastern. Man, I was shocked. I was like, I can't pass this up. I was in front of the computer. I was like, oh, I'll take a couple trades, and we did well. We're bringing back some of our evals that were almost dead. I've been bringing them back with micros, which is crazy. That's what I'm saying. I think I trade a lot better when I have a little more room. Yeah, I only took shorts last night, scalps, but made 1,500 on the accounts and locked them up. Good for you, brother. Good for you. All right, let's see. So our 12-minute starting to look a little suspect here. 3-minute still looking okay. Not looking so hot, huh? Yeah, do we head down lower now? Do we head down to our overnight lows? It's a possibility. Yeah, we're still putting in that lower high here on the momentum. Still looks like the shorts are going to be in control. Possibly, but look at this now on the 12. She's holding here. Yeah, she's moving quite fast here. So we still got this idea here that she could have broken structure. Let's see. Yeah, she looks like she wants further down. 10 minutes left here. I think she's really going to test this area here, the daily open area, because we do have the VWAP here lining up with the daily open very nicely. I don't know if the market is going to want to leave that behind, but this could be an area here that she is going to definitely gravitate to. Yeah, watch this little area right here. Yeah, there she goes. Straight there. Gaps all over at SPX on the 5-minute. Says Micaiah. NQ coming back to 29.19. Yeah, I've got those. I got that area here. I've got the yesterday's close, Friday's close at 9.19, and then I've got a little bit more of a demand area there. See if she goes there. Yeah, I don't think she's gonna stop here. Yeah, we have a lot more. We have more dumping to do. I think we have a little more dumping to do here. All right, we already dropped about 125 points to the downside. Our ATR right now is hovering around 28 on our 3-minute. That's still manageable. It's the 50s I have a problem with. Not sure if we're gonna get that kind of a move this morning, but everything's on the table. With the NQ for sure, everything's on the table. Wow, what a dump. Yeah, I think we're going to get some more selling pressure coming in. Could get stuck here at the daily open. We're only 10 minutes into the session and we already have a direction picked out, I think. Except we could go down to that 900 level. I don't see any bullishness stepping in just yet. Yeah, my target right now, if we keep going down, is this area here at 900. Right here on the 30-minute, this area right here. So go back to our 3-minute here. Take a look at what's going on. Yeah, we just hit, we're very close to Friday's high, which is sitting at 20,943. According to the delta here, it doesn't look like the bulls are starting to step in just yet. We're getting a bit of a higher low on momentum on the 1-minute, but that could change quickly. Looks like we're going to test this 20,944 level right here. That was Friday's high. Could be where the market wants to go next before trying to test the daily open again, if it wants to test the daily open again. Yeah, this 12-minute divergence was very powerful. Very powerful. It looks like it's going here. We just missed it. Only a few points away. Nvidia's getting gut punched. Oh wow, Micaiah. PMI in 4 minutes. Said I would be in 1 minute now. I think you're referring to. Huh? Let's check out today's date. Is today's Monday, the 3rd, and looks like PMI is coming in on 1 minute, 44 seconds to be exact. All right, we could get a little pop here, possibly back to the daily open. What an opening, yeah. For a Monday, absolutely. Might get a little pop here back to test these 2100 zone. I think that's what I'm seeing here. Let's see, do we break this 940 level? All right, we got the news in. News is in on the PMI, and it's pending. Looks like PMI came in at 52.7 with an expected 51.6. I don't know about that, man. This might not be so hot for the market. A little hotter than expected. Inflation is rearing its ugly head. And let's see what the market does on this news. We've got, see this trend line here, see if we break. Looks like she could. Maybe she could. She'll tap the daily open again. I don't know if we're done dumping, but we could definitely come up here to the daily open. This little area right here, little area of contention, 21,000. Yeah, nice little liquidity grab before hitting 21,000. Market did come down here to tap it just one more time before taking off here to the daily open. Now, do we hold this daily open? I'm not sure. We're going to see. We're going to find out. Doesn't look like there's much strength behind the move. It looks like it's all absorption by the bulls. But we could get some participation stepping in here. Maybe profit taking, maybe some bulls opening up orders. We could turn this red delta into a green bar next if we continue moving higher. If we start seeing the volume come in, then I'll believe this move. Right now, the move doesn't look too real to me. It looks like it could be a manufactured move because we don't really see any green delta. We just see red delta right now, which tells me that there are more sellers in the market right now, and maybe perhaps market makers are just manipulating this, or it's just profit taking. One or the other. Short coverings. Could be short coverings, but we are testing that daily open once more. If we do get above the daily open, I'd like to see maybe all of this getting cleaned up all the way up to 60. If we can get past the daily open, not sure if that's going to happen. I think we still have some more downside before then. We're going to see. It's whatever the market wants, not what I want. Good pop though. Definitely a good pop. See what the market wants to do here. I did take this short here. That was, I guess, a good call. I think we can get down to this 923 number here. I think we could get there. Because I'm thinking 919 is a good target. Why not 923? Give us one more little push here. Would appreciate it. I think we can get it. I added one here. See if we can get a quick little push down to 923. Oh, it looks like it wants to stop us out first. See if we get 923. Let's go. Push. Push. I'm going to take it off. I'm not playing with her. But a good hit. That was $176 on one micro with an extra ad. Not a bad hit. Not a bad hit at all. I'll take it any day of the week. I'll take it. It looks like we are moving down still. I wasn't quick enough to take that anywhere else, but good trade though, either way. And looks like, man, it really looks like we're bringing this eval back to life. This eval had $48 in it. Now it has $381. So, not bad. Not bad at all. ICNQ to about 20,770. Yeah, right. It's possible. Yeah, it's possible. All right, we are moving down still. All right, looks like that daily open was a good place to get short. I think that is where I got short from. Should have been short from where I was short earlier today, but I would have been stopped out anyway. I could have taken profits before then, but yeah, whatever. It is what it is. Can't look at previous trades and think that you can do anything about them. All right, so what are we possibly looking at now in these smaller time frames? 3 minute looks like still more downside. 12 minute looks like downside. 30 minute definitely looks like more downside. Everything looks like more downside. Everything looks like more downside. Maybe we should have just taken a partial on that one, but hey, you never know. You just never know. Just never know with these things, guys. All right, so far so good with this move. I'm expecting us to hit this 900 level pretty fast. I don't think there's much keeping us from going there. Let me take a quick look at the book map and see where the levels are stacked. And it looks like we have 900 has a good amount of orders sitting there. Looks like it. Yeah, 900 is right around the corner. 919 just got breached. Is it possible we give back this whole move that we made overnight? A lot of you think it is. All right, so we're getting right into that area I have outlined here that I have my eye on. I'm not going to take a reversal from here until I start seeing it on the higher time frame, such as the 12. The 3 minute could give you a little bit of an indication here to the upside, but not yet. And I don't see any divergences yet either. In the meantime, I'm going to see if I can play around with this here. Volume band, colors. think I might be able to use it just like this. Size pane, double click. Pin to scale, move to existing pane above. This is too busy. Not too much. I think I like this a little better. Look at that move. Going right down to 877. Alright, I'm just trying to clean up, see if I clean this up a little bit. I don't know if I can get rid of those little signal line, no, zero line. Wow, we're getting that push, that hard push, huh? Getting a pretty hard push there. All right, so we did break through the level I had outlined here. So next level we might be looking at here could possibly be 800. Let's zoom out a bit and see if we can find some better levels. Wow, that short would have really been paying right now. It looks like yeah, we could have just trailed it instead. Yeah, it looks like we could be heading down to overnight lows here. All right, we just hit the overnight low right now at 836. What a move, what a move. What a move, guys. What a move. Okay. All right, we're moving pretty hard now. We have a point of control at 700. Pretty decent point of control at 700 right now. If we want to test that area, we could. And we do have last week's low at 460. Pretty big numbers there. We could just turn around here from the overnight lows, but we will be patient and see if that's... Ooh, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. On the 3 minute at least. 3 minute looks pretty decent. 12 minute, not so much. 12 minute looks like we still have more dumping to do. 3 minute looks like we can get a pop back up to 919. And let's see. All right, cool. Yeah, pretty nasty move down. Pretty nasty. When she stops, I don't know. We have our suspicions though. She could make a U-turn here after a little bit more manipulation. I mean, not exactly right now, but she could manipulate a little bit more and then possibly pop. 20% locked in on my options play. Wow, I'm gonna call it a day, folks. Good luck. Wow, man, good for you, Makai. Makai, I didn't know you traded options too, brother. I used to do 0 day. I should probably start doing that again. I didn't spend a lot of money with it, but I did hit pretty good consistently because I was good on picking directions. It just wasn't too good on timing. But the directions kind of worked out. 0 days, you got to get them early though. You got to get them early in the day, like around this time. Yeah, she is a significant low and overnight. Let me see. Let me see what's going on here. We had a significant low here earlier, later before. Yeah, this was resistance for a while. This right here was resistance for a while. Maybe it'll be support now. This was resistance. And we do have last week's low there. This was previous resistance. This area here around 682 is previous resistance. We also had some previous resistance here where we currently are right now at 772. Don't know, maybe we'll just outline that where we currently are. That was previous resistance. Only once. Unless there was something from before that I don't know about. Yeah, looks like we're popping just a bit here. Yeah, the 3 minute looks really good. I'm not saying it's over. I think she'll probably still come back down to retest this little area, but 3 minute looks actually pretty good. Maybe at least a 919. Yeah. Starting to see a divergence on the 1 minute. 3 minutes looking still like it's trying to sweep liquidity, so we'll be patient for that. We do have this trend line that we were trying to see if it was trying to break structure. Let's fix that up a bit. Check that. I think she'll be chopping around in here for a while still. Yeah, what a good move this morning, huh? Went a lot more than what I thought. Long are the days where we probably just get a little bit of a move down and a move up. Now it seems like every morning it's just taken a significant move in one direction. Well, mostly the down direction recently. Yeah, she could test 919 here. I'm thinking it is possible. These moves are humongous. These moves are really big. Again, where are we at? 47. Yeah, you guys gotta be careful with your sizing right now because these moves are very, very big. Just a 1 micro move from here to here is about 75 points. That's gonna cost you. That's gonna cost you what? Like 1 micro is 200. It'd be like $150 if you're rolling there on a micro, just one micro. Taking a break. I'm playing more than I am trade. Good. That shows that you're exercising your discipline, Romana. Good job. It's not easy to say that. That's a very hard thing to say. And I'm going to take a break. Now, let's see if the market wants to take a break or if it wants to continue downward. Right now, I think it's trying to hit that 919 zone, possibly, is where it might have its eye set. Maybe yesterday, maybe Friday's high, maybe the VWAP, daily open, we don't know. I just know that the 3-minute looks pretty good for a reversal. Obviously, to take that reversal, I'd like to see it break the trend first. You come back down, test that level one more time. Right now, she's still looking a little bit weak. These short-term pops, obviously, you can always get about a good move here up until the trend line. That's usually a safe bet. After that, though, a lot of times it just rolls over and goes lower. This is an ideal place for it to return back up for a couple of reasons. One of the reasons I'm seeing here is that we had imbalances all the way to here, and we just hit them all. Possibly there's more imbalances down here. Let me just check real quick and see if I can see any. But I definitely saw them in here. Not you, Siri. We've got a couple imbalances down here at 619. You know, does the market want to come back for these? I don't know. Don't know. Right now, I'm still thinking a little more downside chop. Starting to pick up some volume here. See bulls starting to come in. You see the green, a little delta here starting to show up. Yeah, his moves are absolutely huge. Be very careful here. Man, this market has not disappointed, man. You can make a lot of money or lose a lot of money right now the way this market is moving. Be very careful here. I think we can get the move up to at least the 919 level, if not maybe even the VWAP. On the 3-minute, that's what it looks like. The 12-minute, I don't think is ready yet. The 12-minute, I feel like we still have some downside to go. So I'm going to wait for a little bit more of a high probability move here before taking any more trades. You can make a lot of money here, though, guys. Just playing these scalps. I'm trying to set myself up for a bigger move. I am hoping that move is going to be to the upside. But right now, I think we're gonna hang out in this level for a little bit, possibly even go a little bit lower. How much lower? Maybe last week's low at 450. Who knows? As long as she maintains bullish structure and stays above those wicks from last week's low, we could still go higher. Looks like she wants to go lower right now. Yeah, we got about 2 minutes left in this candle here, this 12-minute candle. We did get a little bit of a green candle here, but it's being absorbed pretty heavily here by the bears. The 1 minute, it's looking like is possibly going to be putting in some kind of a bullish delta structure. in the next 30 seconds or so, but we'll wait to see. 3 minute kind of looks the same here. Kind of looks the same. Could be decent indication here. They might be trying to, if we can close this candle somewhere bearish still and move up. It's possible. She's testing that 800 level. Yep, looks like she doesn't want to try it. Yeah, now she might go to 919. Careful here. There's still a little bit of resistance here on this move up. And now the bulls are starting to show up here, getting these higher prices in. Dan was on the point of a 770 hit, says Micaiah. He was on point calling that out. All right, look, there we go. There we go. She's going to go for 919, possibly. So it's like a pretty decent move here to the upside. I was expecting a little bit more of a move down on that last attempt. Looks like it was not necessary. Right, the volume is starting to kick in. Looks like the bears were absorbing the bullish volume here. Bulls absorbed bearish volume here. And now she's on the fence about what she wants to do next. If we don't break this level here, we could roll over. This level here has absorption. This level here actually looked like an iceberg order here at the 890s. It's been rejected a whole bunch of times. All right, she's moving back down. She is playing with emotions here. I think we have an opportunity here to possibly come down a bit more. Not sure if she's going to do it now or if she's going to do it in the next 15 to 30 minutes, but the delta on the 12 minute kind of shows that she could possibly want to entertain lower prices here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's starting to look better. Yeah, I'd like to see a sweep, possibly back down to 770, double bottom. Let's see if that's what she'll do. Okay. We got some nice solid moves here. Yep. Both still getting absorbed here on the lower time frames. There she goes. She's going to sweep some more liquidity. Possibly test this 810 level. Maybe 805, 800. We got about 7 minutes left in the 12. I think we have a little bit more. We should wait for that candle. Yeah, looks like she could be trying to sweep here. Kind of what I'm seeing. Indication that she is trying to sweep. Careful here, guys. She's trying to be sneaky here. Sometimes she does these bull traps. She never makes it too easy. Sometimes she does, but she doesn't really normally make it too easy. Yeah, I still think we might tap the 760 level before making any kind of meaningful reversal, but I don't know when. 12 minute looks like it does need more downside. Three minute looks like it could be a continuation pattern to the downside, so keep your eyes open for that. Well, the M&Q's delta looks a lot different than the NQ's delta. All right, we're starting to get a whole lot of chops, so be careful. The chop a lot of times will roll over. Let's take a look here, 3 minute. All right, does she pick a direction, possibly higher? Looks like bears are getting absorbed here for a moment. Just trying 875 again. Remember, we did have this area up here that possibly have a large passive seller in this area. If she makes it past here, then we're going to reach for Friday's high, VWAP. Right now it's kind of hard to say. Looking a little shaky here on the smaller time frames. Could possibly lead to a this could possibly lead to a rollover if we don't get follow through. But right now the delta's starting to get stronger. Careful here with the absorption. Yeah, just trying. Yeah, the delta is coming in. Buyers are stepping in. What's up, Zad? I've been so busy meeting my friends before saying goodbye, so giving myself a break from the charts this 2 weeks. All right, Zad, well, thank you, man. I was missing you, brother. I was wondering where you were. Don't forget, brother, we're always here, man. We're always here. We're not going anywhere. But yeah, man, I know you probably have a lot of friends in Malaysia you're going to miss. So you're not coming back to Malaysia for anything. So that's it, right? That's pretty much it for you and your friends there. Yeah, this move looks pretty strong, guys. I don't see a reversal on this move on a 1 minute. It looks pretty strong. Like I said, we're heading right up to that Friday's level. Yeah, I should have probably taken that one. Okay. Nice indication there. Looks like we're gonna have to catch this long on the next drop, next significant drop. Before I'm out, Langkawi with jets and parachutes, all of that. Oh yeah. Check out Google Langkawi. Yeah, I'll check that out. Yeah, you move into another country. Yeah, I know, man. Okay. Yeah, these moves are absolutely humongous. Huge. Yeah, huge moves. Okay. Looks like she's gonna make another attempt here for the VWAP. Let's see where she gets. She's gonna try. Looks like that 919 level was Friday's close. It's shaping up to be something. She's going. Let's see if she can hold. All right, looks like almost a 200-point reversal so far. Congrats to anybody who took that. Congrats on anyone who got in on that wick. If you got in on that dip here to the 770s. What's up, Biblical? We got about a minute left here. On our 3-minute. She might start squeezing the bears now. I'm seeing that possible squeeze setup, but we'll see. All right, there she goes tapping VWAP. All right, let's see if she actually wants to see more downside or if she's gonna continue pushing here. All right, she's pushing harder. Good, good, good. All right, we've tapped yesterday's, I keep saying yesterday, but Friday's high. And she's still going, squeezing. Daily opens next. Daily open is next. Let's see if that's where she wants to go. Volume is coming in pretty big for the bulls. All right, let's see if we get a move down here. I did try this short here. I did try the short. I think the short will be good if we come down to, I don't know. I think we should put in a red candle though. We definitely need to put in a red candle in Delta. We'll see. Could get stopped out though. Prepared for either one. We got one micro on, but we're prepared to add if things get nice. But maybe this level here, 880. We'll see. I just feel like we need to put in a red candle on the 12 minute. We haven't put one in a while. Maybe 919. Maybe 919 could be an area. What's up, Green Papaya? Aloha, brother. Aloha to you, my friend. I think it'd be good to protect this position now. Let's see. See if we can get a move down. One minute left. 1 minute left. Could get stopped here. More than likely I will. Still be kind of interested in taking it though. We'll see if we can add to that position if we get there. Actually, we'll add here. If she truly wants to head down, we'll get that move down now. If not, we're gonna get stopped out here. Looks like it's a possibility we could get stopped, but we'll see. I really think we should put in a red candle on the 12-minute. So we're gonna add to our position here if possible. Maybe we just don't. I don't know. Don't know what's gonna happen here. It looks like she's coming back. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, 1 minute looks a little suspect, but we'll see. If we do, for some reason, get still saved in this trade, I like this ad even better because it looks like we're really kind of getting pushed down from here. All right, let's see if we push now. All right, good. All right, nice. We're getting a nice follow through. All right, so we've got 6 on, and looks like we're doing pretty good here. See if we can get the first 3 off here, and we'll leave 3 to go. We'll let 3 ride. All right, good. We'll let 3 ride. We'll let 3 ride, and hopefully we get a good turnout here. All right, so that's pretty good. I think we're up 500 in each account. And yeah, it looks like we might be good here. Why limit? Wow. See if we continue pushing down. Overnight lows at 836 maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Pass another trade lead, 50K from last night. This morning, bought a growth account, no activation fee. Good job, brother. No activation fee. That's what I like. I like those. All right, I got stopped out here. I still like the short, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't think you have to do that anymore. I think you can do it with 1 now. Yeah, at least we took a partial there. All right, so that was good. We took a partial on it. Does she reverse now? I don't know. But good day of trading so far. So far, so good. I just don't think she's done dumping. What do I know? I tried it again, this time with the right size. I think before I took it with the wrong size, but it worked out in my favor either way. I'm just gonna take it off. I don't really like this trade. I'm kind of just forcing it at this point, so I'm just gonna chill. kind of forcing it. I want to see the drop. I do want to see the drop because I don't think what we have so far is enough of a drop. I really don't think so, but I'm gonna let her do her thing. Okay, she's trying a VWAP and yesterday's Friday's high again. She's trying it. Yeah, very good chance here that she continues into the daily open, but I still don't like the 12-minute, the way it's set up for a further move up. The 3-minute also looks kind of weird. The 1-minute here is also looking like it should be putting in a lower low. But we'll be patient for the right setup. So remember that with Tradezella, you used to have to put in 3 contracts if you were trading 3 copy traded accounts, and it would spread it out one per account. Looks like you only have to put in 1 now, and then it'll give you 1 per account. So I just noticed that. So I accidentally did it wrong this morning. I put in 3, but it worked out in my favor, thank God. But I was noticing that the stops were expensive. The stops were like $100. I'm like, why is my stop $100 or my stop loss $100? And I noticed that now it's now you only have to put in 1 contract and copy trade them across all accounts. So I mean, that's kind of better, because it was a little confusing before the way it was set up. I didn't like the way it was, but it was kind of weird. I like to see this move back up to the daily open here, possibly for a reversal at that point. Maybe a rejection from that point. That's what I'm thinking. Could get a rejection from 21,000. I still like the long, but I'm waiting for the long to give us one bigger move to the downside. Maybe something that's as big as these. Right now, I just don't see it yet. That's why I'm still kind of open to these shorts. Thanks for the likes, guys. Maybe we can get it up to 20. That would make my day. That would be swell. So I did a video yesterday, guys, on Tradefy, about Tradefy's new live feature. That's a game changer. I think it's a game changer. It really incentivizes the trader to want to stay in the live, as opposed to just being in your sim funded. Because in live, if you trade well, you can be awarded multiple accounts that you didn't have to really pay for. So it is a very, very good thing, and I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully I get to check them out one day. And the coolest thing is I posted on Tradefy's Discord, and they watched it, and they commented on it, which I feel pretty special about. That's pretty cool. I'm going to do it with other prop firms too. I got a couple of videos cooking for Apex versus Top Step. That's going to be a fun one. Then we've got another one I have to do on Trade Day, which is the most under the radar prop firm. And I do have them. I am subscribed to them. Just haven't traded them that well yet. So I'm a little bit, what do you call that? Yeah. A little bit, I guess, behind the 8 ball on that. A little behind the 8 ball, just a little bit. All right, let's see if we hit the daily open this time around. Oh, I forgot to put on my, let me do that now. I was seeing, I forgot to put on my overlays. I felt naked, oh no. Let's see, the Tradezella screen is good. No, Tradezella screen didn't even have the P&L showing. at that. The P&L's not even showing on TradeAway. Man, I gotta fix these things. Give me a sec, guys. I'll fix this in one sec. Trying to fix this. I'll do it later. Yeah, I don't wanna mess it up right now. Oh, we missed the short. Yeah, I think she's gonna tumble here a bit. Yeah, she's gonna go. Playing around with OBS, and I missed the short here. Still think she goes lower. That's just me. Let's see here. The 3 minute starting to shape up pretty nicely for the bulls. The 1 minute looks like it still could move down a little bit further. 12 minute, not crazy about the 12 minute right now. I don't know. I can't really read her well. Sorry about that, guys. Looks like the market is absorbing the buyers right now. Still like to short a little bit lower here. I still like to move a little bit lower. Maybe it hasn't shaped up the way I want to see it just yet. $900, $937. This is the trend line right now that she is trying to respect. I don't know if she will. Not a place for me to want to take this trade anyway, so I'll just wait on that. I'd like to see the breakdown, maybe down to 807. I mean, that's a lot. It's like 100 points, right? I mean, it's possible. Very possible. Took a short scalp off of the orb zone, off the high of the 12-point ES play. Good job, motivation. Yeah, it looks like the I didn't mark out the orb, but yeah, it looks like we're right in that zone. Publizi, what's up, brother? Congratulations on your new YouTube channel, man. I checked it out over the weekend. If you guys don't know, Publizi has he's doing TA, technical analysis, on YouTube. Check him out. Click on his bio here, or click on his little picture or name, and you'll be transported to his channel. I like his style. Yeah, this could reverse higher. Let's see. The thing is, the 12 doesn't look right yet. The 12 looks like it needs another move down. So the minute this thing starts looking bullish again, I think I'd want to short it. I mean, where do you put your stop loss here on this short? Do you put it on the last significant level, which is like 50 points away? These moves are humongous, guys. I mean, that's a good thing, right? You can make some serious money here if you take the right trades. You just recording the journey? Yeah, man. That's how I started too. I just want to record the journey. All right, let's see if she moves higher or if she comes back down. All right, this could be a continuation move to the upside. Not sure yet. Doesn't look that the volume is there yet. Yeah, I don't see the volume kicking in yet for the bulls, but they are moving. They sure are moving. They're moving and they're grooving. I'm still expecting a flush, guys. I am back and had a good trade. Good for you, Romana. Let's see. This thing could dump off at any moment. It could also pump. So we'll wait for the market to tell us what it wants to do. I saw kind of a mixed bag there. I still think that she will come lower. I don't know if this will be the move that brings her lower, but I think we have one. We have a move coming. A lot of people are going to get short at the VWAP and Friday's high. So it could go through here, go through this level, stop those people out first. Maybe even tap the daily open, then come down. That makes sense. Which one will it be, though? Yeah, a lot of people are gonna get short right now because they got so close to VWAP. So it could squeeze here, grab those people. Yeah. Ooh, 15 likes, guys. 5 more, and we'll be there. How much are we up today? I'll update my chart. Looks like we are up pretty nicely. 463. 463. 33 limit 2108. Let me see. How much did we take any losses? It doesn't look like we took any losses here. Commissions, trades. Trades 24. Okay. 463. 463. $463 times 3, and looks like we're up 252 plus 120. $1761. Okay, not bad. Let's see if we can update this. All right, we're good to go. All right, looks like we're pretty solid here on the evals that we're trading today. I am copy trading 2 Buellknox and 3 Tradefis. I'm copy trading them separately though. So I copy traded the Tradefis on their own, and I copy trade the Buellknox on their own. All right, so we hit that little move down that I was expecting. Now she's starting to look a lot better. Now she's starting to look a whole lot better for a possible reversal at some point here. Yeah, what area though, right? Where does she stop? That is the question. Yeah, we're gonna have to see here. We're just gonna have to see. All right, so that's going to be our trend line here. Still think she has a little more to go down. Where are we? We're now 864. 864, guys. We could head down to the previous low here at 760. Is that 760? 761? 760? Pretty close. You're a brave soul. All the best to you, YouTube site. Don't forget to join the Discord, guys, says Hermana. We have lots of interesting things coming up, daily market updates and lots to learn. Bible study group as well. Our STARS program. Yeah, we have a lot. There's a lot in there. There's a lot of free value in there, man. So if you guys are new here and you've never checked out our Discord, we have daily, I put out daily setups. Puglisi does as well. We've got Bible study, like Hermana said. We got the STARS program that we're working on. The STARS program is really nice. It's for anybody who wants accountability for their trading. A lot of times as a trader, the one thing you're missing the most is someone or a group to kind of hold you to your own kind of like your own discipline, right? Like the things you want to be accountable for, the things that you want to start working on, but you never do because no one's looking, so you can do whatever you want. Yeah, those are the kind of things that, as a trader, we all need. We definitely need that. I know it's helped me. It's helped a lot of us. We talk through it. We talk it out when we go through some rough days or when we go with some good days. We try to unpack what we did right. So check it out, guys. The Discord is linked right here in the chat. Plus, we also have, I don't know, Bionox. I think Bionox ended their sale. Let's check out what their sale, if they still have a sale now. I might have to update that. We have Tradefy, also $97, guys. No activation fee for the eval. 50K growth. That's the one I like. Let's check out coupons. Statistical payouts, keywords, coupon. All right, looks like we still have that 91. It looks like it was extended. The 91% off has been extended till March 7th. So if you guys haven't taken advantage of that Bionox sale, $15 for an eval, can't go wrong there. It's hard to say you can go wrong there. All right, so we are putting in a little bit of a trap to the upside, possibly. I don't know, 100%. This could have been a trap. This could be forming a trap. I'm not sure. This could be just buyers getting away from trap sellers. That's kind of what I'm thinking. It is kind of hard to say at the moment. It's very hard to say at the moment. I just this market just doesn't, come down and go straight back up. Like, it really doesn't do this. So it could be that we see a little bit more downside first before coming up. I'm not opposed to the trade long now. I'm not saying it's not possible. It's very possible. But she just moved up too easily. She just moved up a little too easy. We'll see though. We'll see what she's doing here. I still like crazy. I don't know. I still like the short, but I'm not 100% married to it. But I still see a possibility that we go lower. That 919 level could really be resistance there. Yeah, looks like she might be pushing a little higher first. We're possibly rolling over. Yeah, she's rolling over. She's rolling over. Yeah, she never makes it that easy. Never that easy. and see what she does here. She could go higher. She could try to pop through here. Does she try? Does she make the attempt? All right. And she could be rolling over. Let's keep that in mind that that's possible. That is possible. Higher time frames are a little bit hard to read right now, but I still kind of like the long. Let's see if she gives us a pop to 945 maybe. I think she's gonna. She might try. Yeah, no. Looks like she still wants to go lower. Difficult one to figure out here. Yeah, this is a bit of a difficult one. Yeah, thanks for the likes, guys. We're almost there. 20's right around the corner. Appreciate you guys. Right now, it looks like the market is kind of stuck here at this trend line, and we're also experiencing a bit of resistance at Friday's close at 919. I personally right now think that the market still could give us either a move back down to this previous resistance, this previous level here, this previous low of 760. I see that because this right here tells me that we could have trapped some traders right now to the upside here on this move, okay? That is one thing. Now, the other thing I'm seeing is that it's possible that we could come back a little higher here to the VWAP, because this could also be buyers getting away from trap sellers here. But I'm not really seeing the trap to the downside laid out just yet, so that makes me a little bit kind of cautious there. Yeah, looks like she does want to try it higher. Yeah, she's a wild one here. Definitely a wild one. Don't know what to say, but it looks like she could go either direction, so probably shouldn't be in the trade right now. Yeah, it looks like here she goes. She's pushing higher. We could be moving lower. Looks like we are. This is the trade that I currently have on here, guys. It's possible we could get a move down here to the previous lows at 760. We'll see. Probably get stopped out here. Did we get saved by a tick? So we might have been saved by a half a tick, not even a tick. That usually doesn't happen though, so we might get stopped here. So we'll probably get stopped. Just always trying to protect my position at all times. Yeah, we got stopped. Stopped. Okay. Stopped at a break even, no big deal. No biggie. Still like the short. Might enter it again. But at the moment, I'll leave it alone. Wow, that was actually a pretty nice sell-off there on the 1 minute. Should have probably taken a profit on it, but I'm waiting for the bigger move. Just don't know which move that is yet. I'm thinking it's still the move to the 760 range, but it's whatever the market wants, not what we want. Yeah, she might sweep this level here one more time. We'll see if the bulls step in here, push this to the VWAP. What's up, Timmy? Definitely a tough call. There's a play for both longs and shorts. Yeah, it definitely is motivation. I'm seeing both here. Finally getting over the flu. Wow, I didn't know you were sick, man. Sorry to hear that. Terrible, and got my whole house for like a week. Haven't had that in a year. That's always a good feeling, right? To have a little personal time. I mean, you love the kids, you love the family, but having a little bit of me time, nothing like it. I had that yesterday. I got to work on some YouTube videos. When I get that time, man, I do not complain about it. Also got a chance to go play some basketball yesterday morning. I went to the basketball court, man. There's this really nice basketball court here in Naples, and there's usually a lot of guys, so you have to wait. So I didn't have that much time. I didn't want to spend like an hour waiting to get on the court. So I went there early thinking I could probably get in there early. It was like before 8 a.m. It was like 7 something. Man, I'm telling you, the courts are already packed. I'm like, so then I went to this other basketball court by my house, and there wasn't a single soul there. So I just had to shoot around by myself and just take shots, which is fine. But kind of wanted to get a game. You know, I'm very competitive. I like to play against other people. So that kind of sucked. All right, I want to see what this move does here. think we could get down to 760. I'm going to see if the market wants to actually do that. You know, maybe she go to VWAP first. Who knows? Maybe we never get down to 760. Maybe that's a pipe dream. Maybe we don't go there. A lot of shenanigans going on, guys. Careful. Careful. She's doing whatever she likes. Doing whatever she likes here. Yeah. She's going back to VWAP. Looks like she is. Okay. Yeah, looks like she's gradually going higher. Looks like she might make that run now. Man, she is just not giving any clear indications here at all. At all. Nothing. Yeah, it looks like she could push. See if that's what she actually wants. All right, there she goes. Yeah, she could go here. Seeing a decent level of strength here. All right, she's off. She could take the VWAP now. All right, she's pushing kind of good. All right, let's see if we can make it. Yeah, still think she can go. Could get stopped here though. Oh, she's building some strength. She's going. Can't see my trades, huh? Alright, looks like it's not working. Yeah. Alright, here's the trade I'm currently in right now. We're about to add one to our position. See if we have one added. And it looks like our first TP is going to be there. Stop. Let's see if we can add a stop here. Looks like she's going to push pretty hard here. So far, so good. So far, so good. Let's see if she can't take that. 977. Come on, push it. Push it for me, baby. Push it. All right, we'll take her off there. All right, we're doing all right there. Doing all right there. I did take 2 small little losses earlier, so I'm trying to make up for it. Looks like we could get a reversal here at any moment. The way the CVD is set up on the 1 minute, I don't like it. 3 minute as well. We could tap the daily open, we'll see. Careful with the divergence on momentum. All right, I'm gonna have to exit out, guys. I'll be right back. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I lost you for a minute because I had a problem here with my switchboard. I couldn't switch my screens, but I think now we're okay. Yeah, we need 2 more likes to get up to. We need 2 more likes, guys, to get up to 20. All right, we're good. All right, so we might get a rollover. I'm not saying at this very moment, but very soon we might get this rollover. Looks like we could. At the moment, I'm still staying bullish on this, but it looks like it's possible. I'm not liking the way the delta is setting up. She could end up squeezing here, though. All right, see if we can't catch this little short here down to 944, which is not that optimistic, but it's okay. All right, we'll eliminate our risk here, and we'll let it ride. Let's see if we tap this 944. I think we can go lower. Damn, took it off too soon. All right. Not bad though, 505 on the day. That's another 120. Update this, another 120. That brings us up to about 1881. Save. All right, we're good there. Okay. Now we're starting to see the longs look a lot better now, because we're getting this trap now on the downside. This is looking a little bit better here for the longs now. Okay. Be patient here, see what we find out. I still like the longs look pretty good. We'll see. Maybe she wants to go down a bit more first, but I think she might be all right for a long. We'll start building a long maybe, but not yet. She could bring us down to those levels of 760 that I was thinking of earlier. Yeah, I should have probably held that one a little longer. When I tried to move it, I was already too late. Okay. This could be an area they're defending here. 860. Yeah, this area here, they might be defending this area. This area could be defended, so if we break this area here, I don't think it's going to be a good thing. We can continue much lower at that point. But if we catch some support before here, we might be all right. Right now, it looks like she's still going to go. 2 more likes and we got a dad joke for Smooth. Yeah, 2 more likes, guys, and I'll give you a nice dad joke. See if I can remember one. All right, I got a dirty one. So if you guys want to hear a dirty one, you gotta give me one more like. I got a dirty dad joke. This one my friend's dad told me when I was like 16 years old or 15. I was young. We were young. I thought it was pretty funny. Yeah, now the 12-minute looks great. 12-minute looks great now. Let's see, we got about 6 minutes left on that 12-minute. Let's see if they defend that zone. Let's see if they defend it. I think they will. They have to defend 847. Let's see if they defend 847. This area right here has to hold. If they don't defend this area, we're not looking for longs anymore. Right now it looks kind of choppy. I wouldn't be taking a long just yet. That area has to hold. Oh yeah, yo. It may not hold. Oh, it may not hold. We'll see. Let's see if they're going to sweep that. If not, they go to 760. Quick. Yeah, careful, guys. They have to defend this level here. These are the overnight lows as well. It's not ready yet. Guys, I'm only going to be on stream today till about 12 o'clock. I got some important stuff to do today. And I will be back tomorrow at 9 a.m. Still think we got one more drop before moving higher, but that's just me. Just by reading the delta just shows me maybe I think we have one more coming in. If we have a reversal at all, then I'm thinking we could. Yeah, what's the ATR looking like right now, guys? The ATR is at 50, man. It got as high as 52, 53. These moves are mega size, guys. Watch your size, watch your stops. These things are huge. It is a whole different ballpark with an ATR of 50 versus an ATR of 15 or 20. Whole different mindset. Everything changes. Yeah, we got to defend the zone, remember. She's setting up for a bullish move, but let's see. She's defending. She's defending. There is a little bit of a battle here, as you guys can see. Let's see. Let's see how she shapes up. Still got about 2 minutes left in the 12, and I'm liking the way the CBD looks like on the 12 for a long. I really do. And I am liking the way the 3 minute looks. I also, the 1 minute is kind of getting there. It's getting there. I think she definitely wants to check that overnight low again just to kind of scare everyone. That's what she's doing right now. She's trying to scare everyone right now, trying to hit that overnight low. And I do think it could hold. Herman's Albazi, sorry. Hermes Albazi. Welcome, Hermes. Welcome, brother. I don't know what you're thanking me for, but you're very welcome. Yeah, let's just, I'm staying patient here, guys, until I see Delta spike to the downside. Then I'd be a little more bullish. Right now. We're just waiting for it to see how much it's going to manipulate this 840s, 840 level. Yeah, that's 840s level. All right, I'm glad to hear that, brother. Hermes, cool name, man. Hermes. She's trying to hold this level. She's trying to hold. Yeah, I feel she's just messing with us though. She's gonna go a little bit lower. This is how she lures guys to go long right now, and then she comes back to stop us out. So be careful. There she goes. Watch it, guys. Starting to look better. Starting to look better across the board. We'll just see how she reacts here at the overnight low. She could sweep the overnight low here. Is there something special going on with Nvidia right now? I'm seeing some messages come across here about Nvidia. All right, they're going to defend 840. It's moment of truth. Yeah, I should have held that short a little longer, huh? That's something I got to work on. It's holding my positions a little longer. I'm usually taking profits too soon. Yeah, that's not a good thing. Wow, this could actually dump further. If 840 does not hold here, we could really see a dump off here. The 12 minutes shaping up kind of scary. 12 minutes looking kind of scary. VIX is at 1989, huh? Yeah, it's elevated. And they're attacking 840. They're attacking 840 pretty hard. And the delta's starting to get a little bearish, a little bit on the bearish side. I don't know how I feel about it at the moment. Yeah, she could sweep this level one more time. I don't know if she's gonna pop, but anything's possible here. All right, she swept it. She swept it. I don't know if she's done with it, but she swept it. I'm not trusting it. I'm not trusting it yet, guys. I ain't trusting this. I think she's gonna dump. The delta's getting stronger as we go. She could try 760 again. Maybe hit that double bottom. All right, she put in a new high bar, a new anchor bar here. She put a new anchor bar right here, so I don't think we're gonna get that reversal right in one shot. This could take a while here. Yeah, we had a delta divergence. I'm sorry, we had a momentum divergence here too on this move, which we caught a piece of. Yeah. Let's see if they defend 840. I'm not 100% sure they will. It's kind of lazy here at 840. Yeah. Honestly, don't think she's ready to pump yet. Just what I'm kind of seeing here. The momentum has gotten a lot stronger than it was here. The delta got a lot stronger than it was here. Yeah, I think she's going to try 760. That value area low on the 4-hour candle is 840. Yeah, there's a lot of confluence here at 840. Thanks for bringing that up, Hermes. Oh man, looks weird. Let's see. How much time is left? 6 minutes in this candle? Yeah, could be. She could be holding. Yeah, she could be holding. No, no, no. Looks like she still wants more downside. Okay. 760 on the chopping block. I think it's possible. Could be very well possible here. Also, this level can be defended because they're making it look very weak right now. So the fact that they're making it look so weak, it's possible that they could defend this 840 level. She could sweep one more time, 760 real quick on the wick. She's pushing a little bit higher. Is a reversal possible from here? It's possible. It's not likely. I'm just trying it here just because I got a good entry. I'm not believing it too much. If we start getting some volume in here, I could add. I already did move her to break even though, because I think she could still go further down. But if she starts to get some volume right now and starts popping, then it could be good. No. Stopped on that. We'll wait. Oh, looks like something's happening. We'll wait for one more drop here. I think it's coming. I think it's coming. Could also be wrong. All right. Does she pop here? Anyone's guess. Still think she could go further down, but there are some indications here that we did put in a temporary low. An area that I'm looking at here is possibly this 900 zone, the 900 zone, and then right above that we have that 920. I do have to leave in about 15 minutes, so hopefully we can get another winning trade here. Let's see. Let's see if the bulls step in, or if it's just more bearish moves. All right, so far so good. So far so good here. We did take that trade in here, by the way. We'll take a little risk off. Keeping my eye on this level here at 900. Let's see what happens at 900. We do have imbalances up to 900. There's stops there as well. Those stops could inject some buying power here. All right, she's looking pretty strong. I'm gonna go ahead and move her to break even on this move here. If we get stopped, we get stopped. I gotta go anyway. So I'm not gonna take profits on this until we see, I think it's gonna go higher. I think it's gonna go to the high day. So I might just leave her on. I did expect this area 840 to get respected, and we kind of got that. So I think I'm just gonna leave her on. See about adding once we get over the VWAP. I'll see about adding. Right now I don't want to add anything. High of day is sitting at, yeah, the CVD is actually, the delta is getting stronger as we go, which is nice. The high of day is at 21,120. I think I'm going to let it run though, because I do think we can get up to 400 if we really push today. So I think I'm just going to leave her running. Everything looks good so far. The delta looks pretty good. So we'll just leave her. We'll leave her be. Yeah, we'll let her be. Very nice, very nice. Here's this move here. I took that on my live account too, guys. I took it on my live account too. We'll let her run. Good setup here. I think we took the right setup. That was 786 of the range. I took it on demo. Good for you, man. OG range is 872 to 989 could push up. Yeah, so we took it. I'm glad we did. It's helping us a lot big time today. Yeah, I think we can push through here. We'll see. I think we could push through here. Looks okay for the push. If we start seeing some real bearish moves here, then obviously maybe not, but I believe she can. Either way, we're safe. We're moving our stops into profit. We have our stops in profit on both, pretty much. Yeah, we'll go a little bit in profit there. And we'll just let it do its thing. Hopefully we don't get stopped here. Hopefully the market cooperates. But it's part of doing business. If we want those big 100, 200 point moves, we gotta take a little heat. Gotta take a little heat. It's just the way it is. There's no two ways about it. There's no two ways about it, guys. She's trying to push. She is trying to push. But I don't know if she'll push right now. She could push now. She could push later. Let me bring us back here to our main screen and see what happens here. Hope we can throw some volume on this move here. I did like this level a lot, 840. You heard me say it a lot that they have to defend this area. The reason why I felt like they had to is because we had this high volume delta candle right here on the 12-minute. So there's a lot of positions in here that had to be, there's a lot of positions in here that had to continue being trapped. So they did defend it to an extent. We're pretty nicely defended right now at the moment. If we move through this VWAP and we close a candle above it, then we'll look a lot better. Right now I expect the market to probably chop in here a lot because it is Friday's high and it is also a VWAP. So I think we can get a lot of ranging in here. But if we break through here, we can see that daily open get tagged pretty quickly. So that'll be nice. That'll be nice. Let me see. If not, we get stopped out at break even or a little small profit. But we got to try, huh? I think we have to try. And see, my stop loss is 874. 874. I think right down there. That's pretty good. Stop loss on this one's 872. Not bad. Okay. So we're straight. We're straight right now. We're just gonna be patient. Give this thing time to move. Give this thing time to do its thing. Let it cook. I'm going to read something to you guys here. So this is a post on X. I'm reading it right now from Jade Cap. This guy, I saw a video of his over the weekend, and he's got, I think, over $700,000 in his Apex accounts in just the last 24 days of trading. He is trading 20 accounts. Let me read this to you. So he says, reflecting on where I was a few years ago, I was an emotional trader that would bang my fist on the desk at any losing trade. I thought I needed to win trades that looked great but turned sour. When you're always in a fog of anger, you start to realize that what you're doing isn't sustainable if you want long-term consistency. The place you want to be is to have ultimate peace of mind over your results. Do this by assuming every trade is already a loss. The money has left your account in the form of a business expense and you don't know when to expect a return, like a normal business operates. At Weird Gene mentioned he does this also, and it's something that few talk about. If you're an emotional trader, start assuming you've already lost. Not only does it humble you, it actually helps you make money. That's pretty deep. I actually said this a while back when I first started my channel, that when you take a trade, you always have to assume that you've already lost that money, because it kind of gives you peace of mind that you're not so worried about losing, you're worried about taking good trades. Just take the best trades possible. So I've said this in the past. I know it's funny that this guy has the same mindset. I do forget it. Don't get me wrong, I do forget it sometimes. And it does it does mess me up at times when I do think about the loss more than I think about the trade. Sometimes you'll see me possibly take a trade off because it's not looking too good. And I gotta stop doing that because a lot of times they actually go in my favor. Like this morning, I took a short off. They looked kind of weird, and then it dropped 200 points. I missed this drop. This morning because I took my short off because it started looking kind of funky. So was that the one or was it this one? It was one of these. No, it was this one. Yeah, I missed the short because I was in the short and I took it off because it didn't look right. Wait, where's it at? Here. Yeah, so I was on the short right in here, took it off because I was scared that it was going to go against me, and it didn't. It actually went in my favor, and I missed that. So yeah, it just goes to show you how that works. Pretty crazy. All right, so we're still chopping the VWAP here. I'm pretty sure that we're going to drop here a little bit, but still going to hold her. We're nicely green on the day, so even if we get stopped at break even, it's fine. I wouldn't be too happy about it, but it's fine. March 7th is when Trump's crypto conference happens. I would keep an eye out on this whale and copy trade him on any trades before M7. Our insider whale friend changed his name to March 7th. Oh wow. Yeah, this guy took a trade at the exact time yesterday, right before the announcement was made by Trump about the crypto stuff. And I think he turned a small account into like $7 million or $5 million or something crazy. Oh wow, look, Honda built a Civic hybrid in the US, Indiana, over Mexico due to the tariffs. Now we're going in the right direction. Trump will make an investment announcement at 1:30 p.m. on Monday, the White House said, without offering any other details. Oh wow, so let's keep an eye out for that at 1:30. At 1:30 p.m. today, we could get Trump. Let's see. President Trump speaks today, tentatively, so it could be any moment. It could be something really positive for the market. They said it could be at 1:30. Let's see if that's the case. Why are all my childhood actors undercover socialists? It's crazy. You got Mike Myers wearing a shirt that says Canada is not for sale. Is he Canadian? Is Mike Myers Canadian? Maybe that's why. I'm over here thinking he's American. I think he might be Canadian. All right, so you got a pretty hard push down on this delta right here. So because of that, I'm still holding bullish here. I think she could definitely retry the VWAP here. Let's see if she's gonna be kind to us today. It'd be nice if she was. What's up, Jim Daniels? I got it, but then covered way too soon. Well, at least you got something off of it. Good for you. Good for you. President Trump to make an investment announcement today. Another person said it. That investment announcement could be pretty big news. Okay. So looking at our point of control here, right around where we bounced from, this area here, our next point of control would be up here at 21,100, the high of day. That's kind of my target. So let's see if we can get there without getting stopped out first. So I haven't added to my position, so my average is still where it is. I'm only going to add once we get above VWAP. Right now, I don't want to add a single dollar. All right, guys, I have to go. But you guys did give me the... Give me a second, guys. All right. What am I saying here? All right. The FOMO is massive because Trump wants us all to win and make free money long. Meanwhile, forming the biggest bearish divergence I've ever seen in a long time. Yeah, you know what? We did pump crazy yesterday in the crypto market, but I want to show you guys something. We are most likely forming a huge bearish divergence on the momentum because that pump was so fast yesterday on the delta that we could be getting a very nasty move right back down. On this is a YouTuber I follow. His name is Daniel from Chart Champions. He's saying that we formed one of the biggest bearish divergences he's seen in a very long time or in history, and I think it's probably true, at least on Bitcoin. We came up 10,000 points in an hour. So because of that, I agree with him. We could get a nasty move right back down. I was thinking that the market could move back up to 95,000 the other day, last week, because of where all the majority of the stop losses were. And we went right up to that number because there was a huge amount of stop losses at 95,000. That's exactly where the market ended up going. Exactly where it went. Yeah, so you guys got the 22 likes. I got over 20 likes. So here's the dad joke. It's a little bit raunchy. So if the kids are around, put them away. It's a little bit of a dirty one. My friend's dad told me this when I was a kid. So I didn't make it up. I promise I did not. All right, so let's see if you guys can answer this one. Okay. What do you call a closet full of lesbians? Let's see. This is a dirty one. What do you call a closet full of lesbians? Let's see if anyone can answer this one. Hope I don't lose any followers on this joke. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's funny, but it's not that bad. I guess nobody's got the answer to that one. I don't think you'll even be able to chat GBT it. I don't even think it's possible. Anyone? I need at least one person to give me an idea. What do you call a closet full of lesbians? Keep in mind, my friend's dad told us this when we were like 15. That's the kind of environment I grew up in. Timmy says a bifolder. Storm says, I don't know. All right. It's called a liquor cabinet. A closet full of lesbians is called a liquor cabinet. There you go. There you go, guys. You'll never forget that one. I'm traumatized by that one. That's one dad joke I'll never forget my whole life. I thought it was pretty funny, though. You won't hear that one on TV. Yep. Tell that one to your wives. All right, guys, I'm going to have to go. I'll leave you guys on that. Giga Rick, what's up, man? You guys, take care. We did a good day of trading today. I think we're up pretty nicely. Right now, our trade that's open is up over $100. So that would put us at around 570 per account. 570 per account is pretty much where You see the totals out right now, 570. Let's say let's call it 1800. We're about 2,000 on the day, somewhere in there. Our total is somewhere around 2,000. So no need to update it now. But well, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Hope you guys trade well today. Please don't do anything dumb. Trade small. The ATR is still pretty huge, guys. ATR is still, well, actually dropped a lot, but it's at 37 because we're kind of chopping right now. But it was as high as 52 earlier. So be very careful. If you have to size down, no shame in that. Bigger stops are always good in markets like this. So take care, guys. I'll be holding this long to the high a day, somewhere around 21.1. And that's where I'll take my first TP probably. I might add before that and then let it ride to 21.4. So good luck to you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you to anybody that's new here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll check you guys out later.